Surah, number 38, of Quran Majeed. Swad.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
In the name of Allah, the All-Beneficent, the All-Merciful.
Sad, wal Qur'ani dhil-dhikr.
Swad. By the Quran bearing the reminder.
بل الذين كفروا في عزة وشقاق.
The faithless indeed dwell in conceit and defiance.
كم أهلكنا من قبلهم من قرن فنادوا ولا تحين مناص.
How many a generation we have destroyed before them? They cried out for help, but gone was the time for escape.
وعجبوا أن جاءهم منذر منهم وقال الكافرون هذا ساحر كذاب.
They consider it odd that there should come to them a warner from among themselves, and the faithless say, this is a magician, a mendacious liar.
أجعل الآلهة إلها واحدا إن هذا لشيء عجاب.
Has he reduced the gods to one god? This is indeed an odd thing.
وانطلق الملأ منهم أن امشوا واصبروا على آلهتكم إن هذا لشيء يراد.
Their elite go about, urging others, go and stand by your gods. This is indeed the desirable thing to do.
ما سمعنا بهذا في الملة الآخرة إن هذا إلا اختلاق.
We did not hear of this in the latter-day creed. This is nothing but a fabrication.
أأنزل عليه الذكر من بيننا بل هم في شك من ذكري بل لما يذوقوا عذاب.
Has the reminder been sent down to him out of all of us? Indeed, they are in doubt concerning my reminder. Indeed, they have not yet tasted my punishment.
أم عندهم خزائن رحمة ربك العزيز الوهاب.
Do they possess the treasuries of the mercy of your Lord, the Almighty, the All-Munificent?
أم لهم ملك السماوات والأرض وما بينهما فليرتقوا في الأسباب.
Do they own the kingdom of the heavens and the earth and whatever is between them? If so, let them ascend to the higher spheres by the means of ascension.
جند ما هنالك مهزوم من الأحزاب.
They are but a host rooted out there of the factions.
كذبت قبلهم قوم نوح وعاد وفرعون ذو الأوتاد.
Before them Noah's people impugned their apostle, and so did the people of Ad, and Pharaoh, the impaler of his victims.
وثمود وقوم لوط وأصحاب الأيكة أولئك الأحزاب.
And Tammud, and the people of Lut, and the inhabitants of Acre, those were the factions.
إن كل إلا كذب الرسل فحق عقاب.
There was not any one but such as impugned the apostles, so my retribution became due against them.
وما ينظر هؤلاء إلا صيحة واحدة ما لها من فواق.
These, too, do not await but a single cry, which will not grant them any respite.
وقالوا ربنا عجل لنا قطنا قبل يوم الحساب.
They say, Our Lord, hasten on for us our share before the day of reckoning.
اصبر على ما يقولون واذكر عبدنا داود ذا الأيد إنه أواب.
Be patient over what they say, and remember our servant, David, the man of strength. Indeed he was a penitent soul.
إنا سخرنا الجبال معه يسبحن بالعشي والإشراق.
We disposed the mountains to glorify Allah with him at evening and dawn.
والطير محشورة كل له أواب.
And the birds, as well, mustered, in flocks, all echoing him, in a chorus.
وشددنا ملكه وآتيناه الحكمة وفصل الخطاب.
We consolidated his kingdom and gave him wisdom and conclusive speech.
وهل أتاك نبأ الخصم إذ تسوروا المحراب.
Has there not come to you the account of the contenders, when they scaled the wall into the sanctuary?
إذ دخلوا على داود ففزع منهم قالوا لا تخف خصمان بغى بعضنا على بعض فاحكم بيننا بالحق ولا تشطط واهدنا إلى سواء الصراط.
When they entered into the presence of David, he was alarmed by them. They said, Do not be afraid. We are only two contenders. One of us has bullied the other. So judge justly between us, and do not exceed the bounds of justice, and show us the right path.
إن هذا أخي له 99 نعجة ولي نعجة واحدة فقال أكفلنيها وعزني في الخطاب.
This brother of mine has 99 ewes, while I have only a single ewe, and, yet, he says, commit it to my care, and he browbeats me in speech.
قال لقد ظلمك بسؤال نعجتك إلى نعاجه وإن كثيرا من الخلطاء ليبغي بعضهم على بعض إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات وقليل ما هم. وظن داود أنما فتناه فاستغفر ربه وخر راكعا وأناب.
He said, He has certainly wronged you by asking your ewe in addition to his own ewes, and indeed many partners bully one another, except such as have faith and do righteous deeds, and few are they. Then David knew that we had tested him, whereat he pleaded with his Lord for forgiveness, and fell down in prostration and repented.
فغفرنا له ذلك وإن له عندنا لزلفى وحسن مآب.
So we forgave him that, and indeed he has a station of nearness with us and a good destination.
يا داود إنا جعلناك خليفة في الأرض فاحكم بين الناس بالحق ولا تتبع الهوى فيضلك عن سبيل الله إن الذين يضلون عن سبيل الله لهم عذاب شديد بما نسوا يوم الحساب.
O David! Indeed, we have made you a vicegerent on the earth. So judge between people with justice, and do not follow your desires, or they will lead you astray from the way of Allah. Indeed there is a severe punishment for those who stray from the way of Allah, because of their forgetting the day of reckoning.
وما خلقنا السماء والأرض وما بينهما باطلا ذلك ظن الذين كفروا فويل للذين كفروا من النار.
We did not create the sky and the earth and whatever is between them in vain. That is a conjecture of the faithless. So woe to the faithless for the fire.
أم نجعل الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات كالمفسدين في الأرض أم نجعل المتقين كالفجار.
Shall we treat those who have faith and do righteous deeds like those who cause corruption on the earth? Shall we treat the God-weary like the vicious?
كتاب أنزلناه إليك مبارك ليدبروا آياته وليتذكر أولو الألباب.
This is a blessed book that we have sent down to you, so that they may contemplate its signs, and that those who possess intellect may take admonition.
ووهبنا لداود سليمان نعم العبد إنه أواب.
And to David we gave Solomon, what an excellent servant he was. Indeed, he was a penitent soul.
إذ عرض عليه بالعشي الصافنات الجياد.
One evening when there were displayed before him prancing steeds.
فقال إني أحببت حب الخير عن ذكر ربي حتى توارت بالحجاب.
He said, Indeed I have preferred the love of worldly niceties to the remembrance of my Lord until the sun disappeared behind their night veil.
ردوها علي فطفق مسحا بالسوق والأعناق.
Bring it back for me. Then he and others began to wipe their legs and necks.
ولقد فتنا سليمان وألقينا على كرسيه جسدا ثم أناب.
Certainly we tried Solomon, and cast a lifeless body on his throne. Thereupon he was penitent.
قال رب اغفر لي وهب لي ملكا لا ينبغي لأحد من بعدي إنك أنت الوهاب.
He said, My Lord, forgive me, and grant me a kingdom that will not befit anyone except me. Indeed you are the all-munificent.
فسخرنا له الريح تجري بأمره رخاء حيث أصاب.
So we disposed the wind for him, blowing softly wherever he intended by his command.
والشياطين كل بناء وغواص
And every builder and diver from the demons.
وآخرين مقرنين في الأصفاد
And others, too, bound together in chains.
هذا عطاؤنا فامنن أو أمسك بغير حساب.
This is our bounty, so withhold or bestow without any reckoning.
وَإِنَّ لَهُ عِندَنَا لَزُلْفَىٰ وَحُسْنَ مَآبٍ.
Indeed he has a station of nearness with us and a good destination.
واذكر عبدنا أيوب إذ نادى ربه أني مسني الشيطان بنصب وعذاب.
And remember our servant Job, in the Quran. When he called out to his Lord, the devil has visited on me hardship and torment.
اركض برجلك هذا مغتسل بارد وشراب.
We told him, stamp your foot on the ground, this, ensuing spring, will be a cooling bath and drink.
ووهبنا له أهله ومثلهم معهم رحمة منا وذكرى لأولي الألباب.
We gave back his family to him along with others like them, as a mercy from us and an admonition for those who possess intellect.
وخذ بيدك ضغثا فاضرب به ولا تحنث إنا وجدناه صابرا نعم العبد إنه أواب.
We told him, take a faggot in your hand and then strike your wife with it, but do not break your oath. Indeed, we found him to be patient. What an excellent servant. Indeed he was a penitent soul.
واذكر عبادنا إبراهيم وإسحاق ويعقوب أولي الأيدي والأبصار.
And remember our servants, Abraham, Ishaq and Jacob, men of strength and insight.
إنا أخلصناهم بخالصة ذكر الدار.
Indeed we purified them with exclusive remembrance of the abode, of the hereafter.
وإنهم عندنا لمن المصطفين الأخيار.
Indeed they are surely with us among the elect of the best.
واذكر إسماعيل واليسع وذا الكفل وكل من الأخيار.
And remember Ismail, Elisha and Zulkifl, each of whom was among the elect.
هذا ذكر وإن للمتقين لحسن مآب.
This is a reminder, and indeed the God-weary have a good destination.
جنات عدن مفتحة لهم الأبواب.
The gardens of Eden, whose gates will be flung open for them.
متكئين فيها يدعون فيها بفاكهة كثيرة وشراب.
Reclining therein, on couches, they will call for abundant fruits and drinks.
وعندهم قاصرات الطرف أتراب.
And there will be with them maidens of restrained glances, of a like age.
هذا ما توعدون ليوم الحساب.
This is what you are promised on the day of reckoning.
إن هذا لرزقنا ما له من نفاد.
This is our provision, which will never be exhausted.
هذا وإن للطاغين لشر مآب.
This will be for the righteous, and as for the rebellious there will surely be a bad destination.
جهنم يصلونها فبئس المهاد.
Hell, which they shall enter, an evil resting place.
هذا فليذوقوه حميم وغساق.
They will be told, this is scalding water and pus. Let them taste it.
وآخر من شكله أزواج.
And other kinds of torments resembling it.
هذا فوج مقتحم معكم لا مرحبا بهم إنهم صالوا النار.
The leaders of the faithless will be told, this is a group of your followers, plunging into hell, along with you. They will respond, may wretchedness be their lot. For they will enter the fire.
قالوا بل أنتم لا مرحبا بكم أنتم قدمتموه لنا فبئس القرار.
They will say, no, may wretchedness be your lot. You prepared this, hell, for us. What an evil abode.
قالوا ربنا من قدم لنا هذا فزده عذابا ضعفا في النار.
They will say, our Lord, whoever has prepared this for us, double his punishment in the fire.
وقالوا ما لنا لا نرى رجالا كنا نعدهم من الأشرار.
And they will say, why is it that we do not see, here, men whom we used to count among the bad ones?
أتخذناهم سخريا أم زاغت عنهم الأبصار.
Ridiculing them, or do our eyes miss them, here?
إن ذلك لحق تخاصم أهل النار.
That is indeed a true account of the contentions of the inmates of the fire.
قل إنما أنا منذر وما من إله إلا الله الواحد القهار.
Say, I am just a warner, and there is no God except Allah, the One, the All-Paramount.
رب السماوات والأرض وما بينهما العزيز الغفار.
The Lord of the heavens and the earth and whatever is between them, the Almighty, the All-Forgiver.
قل هو نبأ عظيم.
Say, it is a great prophecy.
أنتم عنه معرضون.
Of which you are disregardful.
ما كان لي من علم بالملأ الأعلى إذ يختصمون.
I have no knowledge of the supernal elite when they contend.
إن يوحى إلي إلا أنما أنا نذير مبين.
All that is revealed to me is that I am just a manifest warner.
إذ قال ربك للملائكة إني خالق بشرا من طين.
When your Lord said to the angels, "Indeed I am about to create a human being out of clay."
فإذا سويته ونفخت فيه من روحي فقعوا له ساجدين.
So when I have proportioned him and breathed into him of my spirit, then fall down in prostration before him.
فسجد الملائكة كلهم أجمعون.
Thereat the angels prostrated, all of them together.
إلا إبليس استكبر وكان من الكافرين.
But not Iblis, he acted arrogantly and he was one of the faithless.
قال يا إبليس ما منعك أن تسجد لما خلقت بيدي أستكبرت أم كنت من العالين.
He said, O Iblis, what keeps you from prostrating before that which I have created with my own 2 hands? Are you arrogant, or are you one of the exalted ones?
قال أنا خير منه خلقتني من نار وخلقته من طين.
I am better than him, he said. You created me from fire and you created him from clay.
قال فاخرج منها فإنك رجيم.
He said, Begone hence, for you are indeed an outcast.
وَإِنَّ عَلَيْكَ لَعْنَتِي إِلَى يَوْمِ الدِّينِ.
And indeed my curse will be on you till the day of retribution.
قَالَ رَبِّ فَأَنظِرْنِي إِلَى يَوْمِ يُبْعَثُونَ.
He said, My Lord, respite me till the day they will be resurrected.
قَالَ فَإِنَّكَ مِنَ الْمُنظَرِينَ.
Said he, You are indeed among the reprieved.
إِلَى يَوْمِ الْوَقْتِ الْمَعْلُومِ.
Until the day of the known time.
قال فبعزتك لأغوينهم أجمعين.
He said, By your might, I will surely pervert them.
إلا عبادك منهم المخلصين.
Except your exclusive servants among them.
قال فالحق والحق أقول.
Said he, The truth is that, and I speak the truth.
لأملأن جهنم منك وممن تبعك منهم أجمعين.
I will surely fill hell with you and all those who follow you.
قل ما أسألكم عليه من أجر وما أنا من المتكلفين.
Say, I do not ask you any reward for it, and I am no impostor.
إن هو إلا ذكر للعالمين.
It is just a reminder for all the nations.
وَلَتَعْلَمُنَّ نَبَأَهُ بَعْدَ حِينٍ.
And you will surely learn its tidings in due time.